Hello, welcome to Derinscorner. Thank you for clicking this video if this is your first time here. Derinscorner is all about sharing recipes from all around the world. So my channel is strictly based on showing you how to make food of diverse origin. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a sauce out of a special ingredient called eggplant. Eggplant is also known as aubergine, and it's also known as brinjal as well as Gardenegg from Africa. But before we go ahead, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, which is the red button that you're gonna see below this video, and also on the bell sign, so you get notified when I have new videos up. So let's get to it, and let's start with the list of ingredients. it is ready, and go ahead and serve it with either potatoes, bread, rice, yams, whatever you so desire. And just let me know whenever you make one, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.